Hi guys, how are you all? I think everyone is well. Today I am going to show you my three web apps. These are I create by using Flask library of Python. Without wasting time, let's start this video and let's start this web app. I mean this first web app. The app is start. This app is a chatbot app. In backend, I use the Gemini API key and also of course code of backend of Flask. You can also uh, give a reaction of your chat like dislike and other reaction easily, and it also answer you. One important thing in front end, I use the HTML, CSS and JavaScript also. Let's ask something. I thinking what ask. Let's we are uploading something. I think there is some problem that why it not spot it unspotted file type. You can also change a theme of this app easily and also clear the chat of this app, and also you can chat voice with this app, and also you can download chat of this app easily. One thing that you need to know, you need a Gemini API key to run this app, and this Flask key is a demo key that give me the chat GPT, and when anyone deploy this app to the server, they need change the secret key of the Flask app. Okay, this is my second app, and this app is a customer suggestion tool, and you can also watch the folder of this app, all file. You can also watch all file. Let's start this app. The app is start. Let's upload our data set and check this app. Oh, I think there is a problem. Let's again try again. Still there is a some problem. Okay, now I solved the problem. The problem is the data set. You need this data set to run this app. To make this data set, I use pandas. You can also see in the notebook how I can create this data set. Okay, and this is the result of this data set. This is the result of this application also. Okay, you also see the many columns there. You see the this customer is giving you minus profit. Okay, you can also summarize which customer gives you many profit. This mean which customer is profitable for your business. You need to give the attention which customer give you many profit. Okay, I think you understand. This is about section of this app, and you can also read all of this, write it. Okay, this is my third app, and this app is Superstore product recommender. Let's start this app. The app is started. Let's put the ID of customer and check the result of this app. You can also select the theme of this app, which theme you like. And this is about section of this app. You can read all of this. Let's re-put all IDs. Okay, it show the recommended products. It show the name, category and subcategory of products. This is data set and you need this customer ID to check the recommendations. Okay, this is my third app. This is the repository where the code of this app is here, and this is folder Flask. You can see the all folders is there. Okay, and you can easily download the all files easily. How you can find this repository? It is very easy. You need to open the Google. Okay, and then write github.com, and then GitHub appear there and open it. Then go to the GitHub search bar and search Muhammad Ahmed Bhutta. Then go to my repositories. Then open the repository web apps 1.11 1.12 and the get the code of these all apps easily. Okay, and also follow me on my social media sites. Thanks for watching.